Hey, hi friends, good evening. Welcome back. So, as of now, we have learned a lot of things in DAX. So, yesterday, what we have learned? So far, we have learned what is the measure and what is the calendar auto and calendar, and then some of the why we choose for the DAX or why we choose for the query and what the time functions and date and time function and date functions. Okay. So, today we are going to learn about operators. So what is the operators and how many types of operators we have, and then functions. Okay, and then filter functions. So we today we are going to learn these three things. Okay, first one is the operators, second one is the functions, third one is the filter functions. Okay, in the functions we have the so many like logical functions. So if switch some will come in, then we will learn. Okay, as of now, then we first, what is the operator? So since our childhood, then we are learning about these plus and minus and divide and multiple. Okay, so everybody knows the what is the place, what the minus, and what is the divide multiple. So then if you want to add to, for example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the same thing then you will do in the Power BI. So these are the simple things, and you don't worry about this. Then you, I will explain you one thing, then you will write. Okay, so then go to the measure, and just I will explain the place only, because these are simple things. Plus equal to 2 plus, sorry, 2 plus 3. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, then select the card. Plus, so what is the answer? 5. So like that, then you will write the same minus. So 2 minus 3, so 2, and 5 by 2, so 2.5. Like that it will give the answers. So these are the arithmetic operators everybody knows. So that's why I will move into the next one. So second one is the comparison operators. So already we know the, for example, if you, India is equal to some region is equal to USA, only then it will calculate the USA region only. So then double equal to the state equal to. So for example, if you give the equal to region is equal to USA, then you will give the small USA, or it is the big capital USA, then it will bring. But whenever we give the strict equal to region equal to USA, only the caps USA. So it is a case sensitive. Whenever you give the USA, only the those USA capital, then it will bring. So like the second one is the greater than. So if, for example, sales date is the greater than equal, greater than is June 2009. So only above June 2009 it will bring, and greater than. Sir, this is the less than. Okay, sorry. So less than. Okay. Then if the sales date is less than to the 2009, then it will calculate as 2009, and greater than or equal to. So for example, if the amount is greater than or equal to 20,000, it will bring the data. So the same thing, greater than or equal, it will bring. So less than or equal. So if, for example, if less than or equal, then under 100 less than or equal, then it will bring the above below 100 only. So for example, if not equal to not equal to USA region. So if, for example, if you have the so many regions in the table, so then if you not equal to USA, so for example, other states will bring the, because of it's not equal to USA, na? Okay, so like that there is a comparison after. Then in further classes, then we will one by one, then where we use the equal to, where we use the greater than, where we equal the less than, although then we will use where, how to use, where to use, then we will see in the further classes, because of that is a very simple thing, na? So that is the reason. It's not, there is no particular thing. Then we, whenever we are going to filter function, when we are going to calculate function and calendar function, then it may then will come the greater than or equal to, for example, the sales is about 20,000, then that time, then we will how it will work, then we will see easily. Okay, so third one is 2.3 is the test operators. You know the test operators, this is the ampersand. So ampersand is equal to concatenate. For example, earlier we have seen the, in Power Query editor, for example, if you concatenate, so first name and second name, if you want the full name, though Naveen Kumar. So what is the full name? Naveen Kumar. Okay. So it will like that, then it will concatenate. So for example, in the table, for example, table first name is A, last name is B. So full name is equal to A plus B. The same thing we have done in the Excel also. For example, if you create one table in Excel and then for example, first name is equal to A and the last name is equal to B. And then what is the full name? A B. So like that, if you want to like comma separated, or if you want to like ash, so whatever then you want, then you write the full name is equal to table A. Is the table A, the first name concatenation table A, last name. So then it will concatenate the A B column and then give the result is the B. So then it will we will see in the practical. So once, okay. Okay, that this is the table one. So then sales table and then test operator. Yeah, okay. So like that. So earlier then is the test operator is the column, okay, full name. Then you delete this one. Okay. Okay, this is the table I want. So then I want to write the full name. So then you go to the new column and then just we concatenate this one, okay. The full name is equal to test operator first name and the test operator last name. So then it will concatenate. Just execute this one, then it will write the full name. So AB. If you want to, for example, in the in between first name and last name, you want to dash. So what you will do? Just you dash and double ampersand and ampersand. Okay, then execute. So it will give the dash between first name and last name. So whatever you want, for example, it will separated by some space. So then if you space enter the space, then in between A and B, it will give the some space. Okay. So this is like concatenation. It will work. Okay. So next one is the logical. So I think in our 10th class math syllabus, we have some. Once you pass true and true, then it will true. Otherwise, it false and false. Anything one false, it will false. So like it is a anything fail, it will fail. Okay. Like it is a logical. It is a double ampersand. So whenever two logic, then true. Otherwise false. Only the two logic, then only true. For example, here true and true, then it will true. So otherwise false and false, it will false, and false and true, it will false, and true and false, it will false, and false and false, it will false. So like it the logic. So whenever it will true, only two logics, it will true, then only it will give the true value. Otherwise, if one is fail, then it will give the fail. Okay. It is a double pipeline. So double pipeline where is in our system. So above of the enter, then you will shift above the enter key, then it will get the double pipeline. Okay. So any one true, then it will, or false, then it will give the true. Okay. Either it will two true, then it will give the two. Other any one of the true, then it will give the true. So like that, it will testing operators like that. Okay. Yeah. Next is the, because of this is R, then we logical, then whenever we are using the in future, then that's the reason I did not explain in depth. So okay, I think you understand. So this is the function. So these are the functions are very important and very everyone is the interview question. So in every interview, then will ask what is the if and what is the switch, what is the and, what is the or. So okay, these functions repeatedly they will ask. So then if you remember these functions, definitely in our further class also we should use these functions where if condition, for example, the salary is equal to this much, then it will write. Otherwise, you'll write something. For example, switch condition, more than one condition, it will false. Like that, then we will use. Okay. Then please remember these functions carefully. Okay. So first one is the if function. Okay. In the if function, what it will do? If. Okay. If will do it will check the logical test and give the result. If it will pass, then it will give the result, and it will give the fail, then it will give the result. Okay, so this is the if. So checks the whether condition is met and returns one value if true and other value is false. Okay, then only the single condition it will check. So what is the syntax for this one? If logical test comma result if true or result if false. Okay, so then we will clear picture will come and give the take one example. So then we will know the what is the real one. So because of we did not understand its condition. Okay, then it is a weekday. For example, everybody knows that in a weekday having Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like 7 days. Okay, for example, 1 is Sunday, 7 is Saturday. So if you weekday is 1 and 7, it will the week end, otherwise weekdays. Okay, this is the one if condition. If you in the week like 1 and 7, it will only week end, otherwise the weekday. I want to write this one. Okay, first you write this one, then you create one table. Okay, you actually we have already created a table. So that is the which table? So dim calendar. Okay, okay, I created a table. So this is a table. Okay, so then first I create this table with the 1 year data, and after that this is the weekday. Okay, so weekday is the 7 and 1, 2, 3 like that. Then we will earlier we have seen the weekday how to create, and then everything we have seen. So that is the reason I did not explain here. Okay, and next thing is the if condition. We use the if condition. In the if condition, then you will write the if condition. Go and if condition is, so what it will says. So if condition is what is the logic? So logic test and result true, comma result false. Okay, checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and other value is false. Okay, yeah. So then enter. So this is the 7 is the weekend. Okay, then you observe 7 is the weekend and 1 is the weekend. So remaining are weekdays up to 6 and weekend 7 and 1. So like that it will come. Okay, yeah. So then we prove the if condition in the Power BI. Okay, so if dim calendar table, dim calendar and a weekday in, so 1 comma 7 comma weekend if true. For example, in 1 comma 7 will come, it will come the week end, comma remaining are weekday. So like that we will get. Okay, so this is okay. So after this class, then you will take the same table and then you will practice 1 or 2 times. Then you will these all the functions and then syntaxes keep in your mind, then only. Otherwise, whenever I am telling the class, then it is very easy. So whenever you practice, it might very difficult to write. So once you practice more than 2-3 times, then you will fast you will do. Okay, so because of DAX, whenever you are listening, very is like, oh wow, how much is this the exciting. But whenever you enter into the system, then you might not get that much of exciting, because of once you practice, then only you will get that these DAX easily. Otherwise, then is a difficult. Okay, second is switch function. So in if function, only one logic it will test. So in the switch function, multiple logics it will check. Okay, so how? Okay, the return, the different results depends on the value of an expression. Okay, so first switch, what is syntax? Switch expression value 1 and result 1, value to result 2, value to result 3, value 4, like that. How many switch conditions it will true, then it will give the answer. Like that, it will test the multiple the different results depending on the value. Okay, so everyone knows, like even though like 1 is equal to 1 is equal to Sunday, 2 is equal to Monday, 3 is equal to Thursday, like that. This also then we can do. Otherwise, we have the 12 months in. So in the 12 months, like 1 is equal to January, wherever it will take 1, then it will come the January. So 2, it will come the February. 3, it will come the March. Like that, then we will write. Okay. So switch condition, what is this table name and the month number, this month number. So otherwise, then we will write as a column week also. In this week, same. Okay. Then we will write a one measure, new column. Okay. So then what we will do, write this is a switch function. Okay. Switch week. Okay. Yeah. Switch. So what is the week? So dim calendar table weekday. So comma. For example, 1. So what it will return? Sunday, comma 2. What it will return? So like that. Only I will take the. So otherwise invalid. Okay. Then I will execute this one. Then you will see. So only I selected 1, 2. Remaining are invalid. Okay. Then you observe. For example, if you continue 3 for Wednesday, 4 for 3 for Tuesday, 4 for Wednesday, 5 for like that, then you will write. Then you will get the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. So like that, then we will execute. So like that same thing, you will try the switch function and month name. You will write the month name and then you will write the switch function. Either 1 it's January, either 2 it's February, either 3 it's March. If 4 April, if 5 May, 6 June, 7 July, 8 August, like that, then you will write and you will execute. Then you will get the these value. So January 1 is equal, like February is equal. So wherever, then if you know that this how to use the switch function, wherever you use, then you will use. Okay, like that. Yeah, this is a switch function. So second, the next one is the AND function. So for example, is the AND condition, how it will syntax is the AND logical 1 and logical 2. So okay. So the, for example, if you pass these 2, then it will give the both conditional pass. For example, these 1 are both failed. In the 2 condition we are giving, if, for example, if you one condition fail, so 1 or both condition failed, it will give the result. Okay. Then you execute this one. And POs. Okay. Then we will see the measure. So I written the measure now. So then we'll create a one this 1, 2, 3 card, and then what is the and POs. Then what I written and POC is if and 14 greater than 12, comma 14 4 greater than 1. So this both condition pass. So then only it will write the both condition pass. Okay. And for example, if you one condition, for example 0, then you will execute this one. What will get the answer? So 1 or both failed. Okay. Then you will see, for example, the same I written, then both conditions are passed because of there is a 14 greater than 12 pass and 4 greater than 1 is passed. So it will return the both condition pass. For example, any one, for example, here also one condition fail, then it will write the 1 or both fail. Okay. This is the like. Okay. This is 1 or both fail. So this is about the and condition. Okay. So same like that. What is the check whether all the arguments are true and return the true. If all arguments are true, then only. Otherwise, then it will write the fail. And next one is the R function. So R is the logical one. So same. It will return true if any one of the argument is true. For example, in the AND condition, both are true, then only it will give the true. If anyone is fail, then it will give the fail. But in our condition, if any one of the argument is true, then it will true. Returns false in all arguments are false. Okay, so then how it will do, then we will see. Okay, so then it is a RPOC. Then so then take again another card function, card visual, and then move into the RPOC. Then what is the RPOC? For example, if R 10 greater than 2 and 4 greater than 5, so here then one is fail, so condition fail. But here what is the syntax of our argument true if any one of the argument is true, and return the false if all the only false, otherwise it will give the condition pass. For example, if you see here, it will give the 1, then it will give the 2 fail, so it will give the condition fail. Okay, either it will so both are pass here, so it will give the condition pass. Okay, any one of fail, then it will give the condition pass only. Both are fail, then only it will give the condition fail. Okay, this is about R. Okay, thank you guys. Then we will see next class another functions. Thank you.